Hello everyone, welcome back. So what we're going to do is we are going to go over the worksheets in your work packet. So this one kind of covers the Constitutional Convention and some basic vocab. So let's get started. So number one, so these are asking you to answer true and false questions. So number one was already done for you, where it says true or false. States list the structure and powers of government in a Bill of Rights. That is false. It really is. It states list the basic freedoms that government promises to protect in a Bill of Rights. And we know the Bill of Rights are the first 10 amendments. This is not really given in regards to the states of basic freedoms of citizens. So let's move on to number two here. And number two says true or false. A document that sets out the basic laws, principles, organization, and processes of a government is called a constitution. And if you chose true, you are correct. So we can put true here. All right. So number three says the Articles of Confederation was the first American Constitution. It created a loose alliance of 13 independent states. We know that to be true. So the 13 independent states, we know that to be the 13 colonies. All right. We also know the Articles of Confederation was the first constitution. We know that it signified a weak government. Remember that. While the U.S. Constitution represents a strong central government. So let me erase that. Kind of strong central government. All right. All right, number four. To cede land means to claim it for your state. So, cede, this is actually false. All right, so I'm going to write false here. And really, cede means to give up land. So, cede is to give up land, right? So as we get much later into the school year, in a couple months, you will learn this word cede or cede from the Union when the southern states ceded from the Union during the Civil War or right before the Civil War, which actually caused the Civil War. All right, so number five, the true or false, the Constitutional Congress authorized the printing of paper, money, or currency. So that is true. All right, so we know currency is paper money. They needed to make money or make currency so that way they can pay the war debt. So it was all about the money, all about the Benjamins. All right. All right. So number six. True or false, Shays' Rebellion occurred because leaders from several states decided that the Articles of Confederation did not work. That is partially true. However, it is not fully true. So I'm going to use a different color. It was actually false. All right. So Shays' Rebellion was a 1786 revolt in Massachusetts led by farmers in reaction to high taxes. So that is the reason why it is false. I will have a video exclusively on this worksheet so you can get a better understanding of how these events really led to the American Revolution and us separating from the monarchy or or for Britain. All right. So lastly, number 7, true or false, the Northwest Ordinance outlawed slavery in the 13 colonies. That is actually false. All right. False. All right. Actually, the Northwest Ordinance of 1787 was a law that set up a government for the Northwest Territory. So it did not really outlaw slavery in the 13 colonies. Slavery was still going on in the 13 colonies. We know that because of the Three-Fifths Compromise. All of these compromises and plans that were debated and argued during the convention, and clearly the Three-Fifths Compromise was did not end slavery. All right. So that concludes on this worksheet. We will go on the next worksheet later. If you have any questions, certainly shoot me an email or text me, and I'll be happy to assist you. See you next time. Bye.